Ah!
Get him. Or her. Or it. Wait, what?
You're such an idiot. Why do you always do that? Guys, he's like the most inclusive skeletons. It could be him, her, or it. Whichever they want. Alright, we need like we need to like.
I don't care.
Okay, no, don't go. Are you? What? I'm lighted and I just left so hard!
It wasn't that far. What?
You're like, let's go, I don't care! And you just jump in and you die.
Is my stuff still there?
Carlo Dratton donated $1. I love you.
I didn't think it was that far.
Okay, guys, let's go!
What? Wait, what?
What the hell is hole? You almost fell. Going up.
Wait.
I'm going up. Oh, you fell in water?
Blasted me into water. What is going on?
I'm getting this Enderman.
This is just crazy.
Bro, who would have guessed?
My hole's there!
I'm on 2 hearts.
Oh my god, I'm about to die.
Oh no, stop! Move!
I'm
Move!
gonna die, I'm gonna die.
Wait, is this it? No! No, this is what happens when you fall down my trap. I mean, my hole.
Your trap. What's wrong?
Oh.
What's wrong with you?
I built up a bit too high out of
Your
the
trap.
I see your house. I see your house.
Why did you fall down my trap?
I don't know why I even said that. I don't know. Alright, come on.
God,
the
Dream
house?
is on the verge of tears.
Oh
I don't
no. I see another Enderman as well. I think we should turn.
What the heck, man?
Wait, where am I?
Oh my god. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna pee myself.
What? Did you say he's gonna pee himself?
I think I'm just in a cave or something.
You guys hear this? We'll go outside and chunk it.
Chunk it?
You mean chunk?
What?
Oh my god.
What's in my? Why did you place netherrack
Dream.
in?
What is wrong with you?
You just got pranked. Guys, legitimately, stop for a minute. Like, I literally have to chill for a minute. Like, just my trap. You're like, why'd you fall? That's what you get for falling into my trap. I don't know what the hell's wrong with you, George.
Stop, I'm drinking water. Stop.
This guy's a psychopath.
No! What the hell?
Guys, you're gonna drown. Stop.
Move!
What the hell?
Oh god! Oh my god!
My fault, doesn't it?
George!
I'm dying!
It's in the gravel? Where's the Enderman?
He might have left.
He? Dream.
Look out! Hurry! George, we have to hurry, George. This way? Yeah. Okay, we came from across here.
Dream! Go! Oh my god! Go! Are they still here? Oh my god!
We came from down here.
Oh, I'm like sweating.
This is how you have genuine fear in Minecraft.
It's like, this is like real.
We have to test and see if it's working. We haven't even shocked it long enough.
No!
Okay, it's working. Alright, let's go.
Don't!
I'm not.
Don't, actually, seriously.
I'm not,
I'm 100% serious.
not.
Well, stop looking at me. What are you doing?
I'm just looking at you.
What? What? You've got... What? George! What?
Oh, George.
Leave it alone.
I put obsidian in the middle. You know, you thought really good, didn't you?
No! Please! Wait. Can you attack me?
Wait, what? What? Come on, George. I literally suck.
What? What?
Cooked wheat?
Cooked wheat?
Have you not?
What? What? Where were you? Where were you, Dream? What were you doing? Wait, is that a potion effect? You have potion effect. What is that? What is that? Were you actually invisible? There's no way. What?
Oh my goodness. No!
Yeah, be careful.
No! No!
You idiot!
Please, please, please! No!
What happened? What?
That's not funny, man. Not funny. I just. No!
Dude, are you joking?
Okay, I got it.
What?
Dude, no! I'm not even like doing that on purpose. This is not fun. I don't want to do this anymore. How do I get? How did you get? I keep going to this block to this block. How do I get down? No! No! Please, please, game. Dude, I don't. I'm not today. No, please. I threw the pick. I threw the pick to the. You're. Dude.
You just died.
I didn't. I would.
Imagine you just
Oh no,
missed.
I hit the ceiling! Oh, I found it! Found it for the first time, let's go!
He just yelled. Well, it's because you have an advantage.
No, I'm gonna die!
What the hell? What?
Not
I'm
funny.
gonna have to mute. I'm gonna have to mute.
It's not funny.
I can't.
How did he do that? How did he actually do that? Behind us, Dream!
Get it.
Over.
Wait, what? It's a knife.
Ah! No!
We could make a diamond. Wait,
Yeah.
did we be here already?
Did he be here?
Oh my god, there's a.
Eat chicken.
What? No!
Chicken, what are we doing? Or her. Or it. Wait, what? Oh my god, what are you so close to the edge? No, no!
My-
If I see that water or the dumb zombie archway thing one more time, Dream, I swear.
I don't know what's not a circle.
Eat the bread.
Stop saying it. What was that?
You are so annoying. I had like 35 iron. I don't even have full iron.
No! No! The dragon in here again! No! What? What? The dragon was targeting me! The dragon was targeting me!
Why did you down? Wait, can we push him off? Push him off the edge! He's gone!
Yes!
Yes! Look at him! It's like the actual scene from Terminator!
Oh my god! Yes! He can't die though. He's gonna just get back up to us eventually.
No! Wait!
George,
What
save
is
us!
that?
George, save
Wait,
us!
the
No!
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 What? Why is everything insane?
George, save us! George! George!
Wait, there's baked
What
potatoes
the
down there.